In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload a project on GitHub. This is useful for storing your code online, managing versions, and collaborating with other developers. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, open the repository where you want to upload your project. Once you're inside the repository, click Add File and select Upload Files. You'll now see an upload area where you can drag and drop your project files. You can also click Choose Your Files to select files from your computer. Select the files you want to upload and click Open. Once your files are added, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll see the Commit Changes button. You can also add a commit message if needed. Finally, click Commit Changes to upload your files to the repository. GitHub will process the upload and your project files will now appear in the repository. That's how to upload a project on GitHub. Thanks for watching.